Still dealing with a failing CRT on your ProtoTRAK? Upgrade your ProtoTRAK M3 with this direct LCD replacement kit. Running M2 or L2? Replace your CRT and bring your display back to life. For MX2, MX3, H2, H3, LX2, LX3, upgrade to a brighter 8.4-inch LCD. No more dim screens. Get a brighter, more reliable display, fast. Scan the QR code and get the right ProtoTRAK LCD upgrade today.